o lo ingoa, Tusitagi o le malo ma le toa. O lupe, maki kasengi, o lo tamā, o lima o sasa se mo tafa, mai le nu o pia, le mea ka o pia. O le usola o lo tamā, koa. Grandfather o lupe, o lo kongiki langa ya lupe. I lo tuputupu ai lunga. Sa no Fualupe I tai pia ya mātou la ua ma. Tau akua le tau atua lo ingo matai le tuangne ya lavi. Ai sa no fo uma I matau se lo tinama lo tamai o lupe ala titi. Ma le a ongai le moenga o le mako grandmother la o satati. A o lo watu ua I o po le weekend. Ya. Modi la ia leo ma o malupe lo tuanga I matua o Eddie Nielsen. E matu e ave I o kangalesa o kang suka, kang plau maka. Ale matu grandmother satali I tua I sale au mua. Ia o lau sale au mua la na leiloa. Ia e wo sawe fai loa tu ele na o pia. Pia sa o whanau ai. Ia ai e whela pitanga sale au mua. Ia, o le mama whtanga la malupe. E pe ama o se auso. Ma saini e whela alisi maka se ngengo ia saini. Sa whiola ia pia. Pe la o tautina, alo loto wana o sale au mua. Ia ele aisa o la foi lupe I tai pia. So, that's just short story, yeah, not really a story about where Lupe grew up as well, and for all Lupe's children, my name is Tusitagi o le malo ma le toa, lima o sasa se montafa, no lingi. So I'm actually from the village of Apia, and that's my dad's family. And I know that you're Lupe's dearest, Tafa, but we are not connected. Yeah, it's a different, that's a longer story. But I finally found the strength to get up here to come and say something about my sister. I didn't even know that she was my cousin until later on. But Lupe is not really from Saleamua as well, because we're from Apia, the village as well. But Nana Satali, she's from Saleamua. And my dad and your grandfather Toa, they're brothers. And they have about 12 siblings. Site? Papa is. But yeah, so Lupe, myself, and Sangi, we were Satali, Nana Satali's bellies. Yeah, she looked after us really well. And she was a very beautiful lady that all of us guys came from. I just wanted to acknowledge your guidance, Lupe, for me and my other brother Osasa, who's also the same age as Lupe. We grew up together. And when I look at all your children singing and grandchildren, it breaks my heart to see that you've left too early. However, you have left something really good. Your children, your grandchildren, and yeah. And I also met your mom in Hawaii. Yeah, we used to go out and have good times and stuff. Yeah, but we didn't smoke while you smoke, jokes. Yeah. So Abel Nea Vanoa, it's Utamase Motafai, Farmer from Fanatuai. Yeah, Ele Lavani Yupumanitala, I five time when I have no finance saw if I stala ya oilupe. Yeah, Ilavana. Pole a fusita tala titi pese I se for fasa wa lupe ya so e taita ia ele a fainga. Yeah, ono faisi ia ai le ngalo a le alofa ia malau whainga foi e tau ia. And just to let you children, grandchildren know what you have another mum. Ula is my other name. Yeah, Malipano lava.